Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about a brand new project, DeNet. So there is an app. Right now I am screen recording. So what we're going to do is get into this app. I want to share with you how you can earn some free tokens. So if you guys can, please so kindly like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this project. So this is a blockchain-based storage protocol, and it's something new, right? It's on the DePIN, and everybody that is getting into crypto, they want to find new projects that could potentially 100x. And what I like most is that we are early. So if you guys do take a look on the screen here, Bitcoin is at 108. So that's really good. I believe we broke all-time highs earlier today. And as Bitcoin continues with its momentum, there are new projects that could thrive. So depending on when the token launches, as of right now, I'm not sure on when this project launches. But if you guys do head over to the link tree, which is pinned in the comment section down below, as well as in the description, you guys can click here on DeNet. So we're going to open up this app. So I already have it open. So all you're going to do is click on DeNet to open it. And I want to get into how you guys can use this app. So make sure that you're using this link. This is a referral code. It's going to give you 1,000 free tokens. Okay. So similar to BlockDAG, if you guys want, you can also click on BlockDAG and there's going to be benefits there as well. So guys, if you take a look at this app, and once you download it, you'll understand. You guys can comment down below. This app is very simple and you get a lot of tokens. So you never know. When the token launches, you could earn a lot of rewards. And again, it's going to add a lot of value for those of you that cannot afford to buy a lot of tokens. So this is a way where you can beat airdrop tokens. So DeNet is a blockchain-based storage protocol and has an associated mobile app, DeNet storage, and watcher node. So when you have tasks, you'll find out more about this app that aims to decentralize data storage and offer users control over their data. It enables users to store their files securely on a network of decentralized nodes and earn rewards by participating in the network. So DeNet also offers a watcher node feature, allowing users to passively earn rewards by running the app in the background and helping validate data on the network. So we've gone over different DePIN projects, etc. I like this one, and data is like the new oil. So again, something interesting that you can take a look at. So guys, download from the App Store or Google Play. And this is what you're going to see. So I'm going to pop it up on screen. It's probably already there. Right now, I have 104,000 tokens, but total, I've accumulated much more than that. So I want to get into steps. What can you do? So number one, guys, download the app, use the referral code. You get 1,000 free tokens. And all you're going to do really is you're going to have this goal to upgrade. So if you hit on upgrade, right now I am past stage 10. I'm trying to get to stage 11. So right now, if I boost for 105,000 tokens, I get to stage 11 and I start accruing more rewards. So how do you accrue rewards? What you're going to do is go down here and you're going to fulfill these tasks. So there are tasks, and a lot of times all you have to do is hit that button. I call it the energy button. So launch to earn 280 WN tokens. So if I go up here, there's also mini drops. You can see the leaderboard, but there are tasks that you can do, like watch videos, create content, whatever it may be. For most of you, just launch to earn. So all you're going to do is hit this button. In every 3 minutes, you're going to be able to launch that again, and basically you charge up. So if I go to tasks, basically you will see this. It looks a little bit different. But you will, for example, after you do it 5 times, you will earn more rewards. So all you have to do is wait a little bit. And for me, my next goal is 105,000 WN. And also, if I go to leaderboard here, some people have earned a lot of tokens. So far, I'm at 270,000. So you never know. Could be worth a $250,000 if it launches at $1. Probably not going to happen. But it's very simple. So we're going to wait together for a couple minutes and we'll check out more on the website. So I recommend making it a goal where you get to stage 10. One of the other tasks that I've done is I have taken a photo of myself holding the watcher node, and you can see everything here. So if you go through it, it's got all the steps for you. So upgrade your node in earnings, learn and earn. So I like this one a lot. This one's very simple. And then, you're going to basically connect your socials, and that's a simple way for you to earn as well. But what I like is the daily tasks. So this gives you a full recharge, and that's where you're going to accrue a lot of rewards. On top of that, obviously, you guys can invite your friends. So especially if you're in college, high school, whatever it may be, maybe at work, have some of your buddies do this, and you can all accrue more rewards. So here, climb the leaderboard, withdraw rewards. So I'm looking forward to that. I've done one of those withdrawal rewards. But once we get further into it and we get to do things like actually hopefully send this to an exchange, convert to Bitcoin or something, that will be really cool. So these, I'm not sure if these are going to be the official tokens or not. But again, I'm just bringing it to your attention. So that's the goal of the link tree. Same with BDAG. These are 100x crypto potential. So keep in mind, nothing should be taken as financial advice. Recharge at your own risk. Do the tasks at your own risk. But I am a fan. I think the app looks good, and there's a lot going on here. So here, let's go back to the app. So right here, I've got, again, 104,382. I'll refresh. So if we take a look here, we got 27 seconds to 1% recharge. So every time we do this, we get another recharge. And for the daily tasks, which I've already completed, you do 5, then 10, and you get to like fully recharge or whatever it is. But it is kind of cool. It's gamified a bit, and it's very simple. You can do it throughout the day, etc. So we got 4 seconds. You'll see what it looks like. So there you go. Launch to earn 60. So I'm adding 60 more tokens. Okay. And then, of course, you have mini drops. You have a bunch of stuff. So here you can go to mini drop and you can pay and you can boost your chances of earning more. Okay, so you have that active. And yeah, I'm just kind of a fan of that. So, you guys let me know what you think. By the end of this video, I'm definitely going to get to stage 11, which I think is really cool. So guys, comment down below. What are your thoughts on the Watcher node? Are you going to mine this? Do you like DeNet? And yeah, that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Buy a Tangem, pick up a ledger, use code Moose. You guys know what to do. Hopefully Bitcoin will just continue to thrive here. So at 108, let's see what happens. Cheers, everybody.